I have a quick project idea for you. Just a simple concept. I was always having trouble if I took my earbuds off, coil them up around my fingers, and lay them up on the dash. They were always getting tangled and damaged. Fortunately, I was buying El Cheapos from the Dollar Tree. $1 a pair, so I mean, you know. But I got tired of constantly having to replace them. It's money I can't afford. So I thought, how can I store these things in the truck and not have them destroyed? And then it hit upon me. Here we go. Let me take these down and show you what I got up here. So you're going to ask, Emberado, how'd you get those to stay up there? Well, that's easy. Punched a little hole and I put a safety pin through. And here, inside this tin is an El Cheapo from the Dollar Tree. And you can see the red duct tape. That's what holds the head of the pin in place. So that when I go to put this up on the roof, I just put the pin into the headliner. And it stays. It's up out of the way. See, I've even got my 7-in-1 eating tool up on the visor. And I've got an impromptu selfie stick hanging from it with a magnet. I showed y'all when I made that selfie stick myself out of spare parts. In this other tin, also with a safety pin, I haven't put any duct tape on it yet to hold it in place. This is holding my newer Bluetooth earbuds. I'm going to put some duct tape on that safety pin head and do the same to keep it in place. And this gives me storage on the ceiling, up out of the way. I had a pill bottle up there on a safety pin. I don't know where it's gotten to. Must have gotten knocked off. I'll have to find it. It was full of the extra earbud cushions from old pairs that had gone to crap on me. And it's down here, falling down here in this mess somewhere. Yeah, that's what happens when you're living in your vehicle. Your front seat ends up as your storage. So, just an idea I thought I'd share with y'all. You might find it useful. From here at Camp Smithy. Peace. Out.
By the way, don't forget to